Hello and good morning. This is TradersClub24. My name is Christian and welcome to all you traders. So as always, we are trading the first market impulse and I need to hurry up a little bit as we are currently looking here on the DAX. So let me quickly place my pending order lines. Okay, and I'm in the market right now. So let's recap for a moment and see what we did. It's the 6th of June, it's Wednesday, and the DAX GER30P, we opened with a slight up gap this morning of 33 points. This brownish box is the first hour of trading, and currently the DAX is trading at 12,795 points. So if you are following our daily videos closely, you will know that we are either placing our pending order lines on the top of that first hour of trading or of the range of the bottom of the first hour of trading, which I just did. So in order to get out of the trade, in order to get 0.10% profit calculated on my account balance, the price needs to reach or to cross the blue line, which is my take profit, at a price level of 12,786 points. So what we are trying to achieve here is to trade the first market impulse, which usually happens in either way at 9 AM, bearish or bullish. So let me come back to you in a couple of moments once the market has opened and we have a clearer identification of where the prices are going within the first couple of moments or minutes. See you then. Okay, a couple of seconds to go till 9 AM. Meanwhile, as you can see here, we are in our second trade. So the market has changed to the top side, meaning that our take profit line has jumped from below the price to upper level. And it is 9 AM in the morning here in Germany. The market has opened, but no clear indication yet of where the prices are going. It looks almost like a standstill. So 3 minutes past 9, and so far it's a non-event. So now finally we have some nice push, nice candle to the top side, and we just need 1-2 points to cross the blue line, which would us get out of the trade. Too bad, missed it by 1 point, second try. So let's not celebrate too early, but here we are. Successful winning trade number 406 in a row. So a bit more interesting today because we are not out in the first trade or with the first trade, but with the second one. And for all of you, to remind you, I'd like to show it to you one more time. Let's zoom in. So this red arrow marks our first trade, short, and the market changed to 3 minutes before 9 AM, and we opened the second trade, long. The second trade had a different volume size, different position size. However, when both trades got closed out here at this level, at our take profit, both trades were closed, and because of the higher volume position size, oh, what's happening now? Because of the higher size of the trade, we got out with a total profit, as always, of 0.10%. Okay, so that's about our trading strategy. Stay tuned and I'll see you tomorrow morning for another market opening trade. Goodbye.